This lesson in Excel is about columns and rows, let's say, and things you can do. If you're looking to resize a column or a row, a fast, easy way is to go between the columns or the rows, and you can click and drag your mouse, and you can make the columns or rows wider or narrower just that way. If you want your column to be as wide as it needs to be, or your row to be as tall as it needs to be, simply double click here and it will automatically adjust. That's a pretty universal feature. You can use that same little feature when you're working with tables in Word as well. So double clicking. Um, if you wish to insert a new column or a new row, you would first select the column that you want, and then simply from the Home tab here, simply go to your Insert button and choose Column, and it inserts a column to the left that way. So if I'd forgotten a column, I could add it here. So here I can maybe say which plant these employees work in, and I could start putting information there if I wanted to. Same idea with a row. If I decided that I wanted a row at the top of this, because I want a heading of some type, again I simply select that row, and then I can go Insert Row, and now it's inserted a row above that. Um, Same idea with delete. You can select any column that you wanted to and delete the entire column. Now it won't just delete the contents, it'll delete the actual column. So if I choose this one here, not only will it delete the information in it, but Thursday will now go next to Tuesday. And so that totally deletes not just the contents, but the column is gone. I'm just going to undo that because I want my Wednesday back, of course. On the topic of columns and rows as well, is a feature called Merge and Center. If I wanted a title for this called, I don't know, job site. Job site, I'll just leave it job site. And I wanted this to be centered across this data. Rather than try to guess which cell to put this in, there's a feature called Merge and Center. The first step is type in what you want, put it in the leftmost cell, so in this case it's A1, and then select the columns across which you want it centered. So I've selected A to G, and then this button here, it's called Merge and Center, and it took all these cells, made them one, and centered that title in there. This is very much another one of those make it then make it pretty type of things. Don't do that until you're absolutely totally done your spreadsheet, and then you could add that in there.